Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, October 21, 2025. Opening brief. What's good, fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting. If your gate moved to another zip code and your phone at 2%, come closer. I got fresh travel tea with seatbelt sign humor. First brief. HKG Runway, reopening prep after deadly cargo crash. See, what had happened was, Hong Kong is prepping the North Runway to standby status after yesterday's ACT/Emirates Lee 747 ran off the pavement into the water, colliding with a patrol car. 2 airport workers died, crew survived. Investigators still haven't pulled the recorders, cleanup slowed by tropical storm function. First, respect to the families and crews. No jokes here. If you're connecting through HKG, check your app. Traffic patterns can shuffle while they finish the heavy lift. Second brief. ATL, family tip stops a possible terminal attack. See, what had happened was, Atlanta police arrested a 49-year-old after relatives warned he'd live-streamed plans to shoot up the airport. Officers grabbed him inside the terminal, where an AR-15 with 27 rounds was recovered from his truck outside. Officials say quick family action averted tragedy. Community safety for the win. If uncles start talking wild on live, call somebody. Airports are for snacks and upgrades, not hero auditions. Third brief. LAX-bound cockpit scare was an intercom. See, what had happened was, an American/SkyWest ERJ 175 out of Omaha turned back when pilots believed someone was trying to breach the cockpit. Turned out an interphone/static mix-up caused the confusion, landed safely, no threat. Baby the plane heard SKRT in the headset and said, "We going home." I respect a cautious U-turn, boring and safe beats trending and smoky. Wildcard brief. Second act at MResort, East Tower debuts December 1st. See, what's about to happen is, Henderson's MResort Spa Casino, just south of the Strip in Las Vegas, Nevada, will open its second hotel tower on December 1, 2025, a $206 million expansion that adds roughly 384 rooms, bringing the property to 765 keys total. The project also brings new meeting space and a Mero restaurant from Emerald Lagasse. Okay, desert glam. New tower means more rooms for the cousin group chat that's where they might pull up. Slide in with your edges laid and your comms ready. If Emerald's cooking downstairs, don't embarrass yourself, pace that buffet, baby. Travel tip of the day. For weather/security/ops drama, fly AM, turn on push alerts, and screenshot alternates like receipts. HKG, ATL, WLG all say hi. Fourth brief. Wellington, NZ, wind tried it. See, what had happened was, powerful gusts, up to 120 km per hour, cancelled/suspended flights, 1 fatality in the region from a falling branch. Air NZ paused then resumed Wellington ops after a multi-hour halt. Pack patience and ginger chews, Welly serving turbulence with attitude. Fifth brief. NYC left-right aero Albany rail glow up. See, what had happened was, Governor Hochul, Amtrak restores 1 round trip December 1st plus $99 coach cap, Metro North to start a Grand Central Albany round trip in spring 2026. $99 to the city. Book that window and act mysterious. Sixth brief. Countdown, World Travel Awards, Europe hits Sardinia tomorrow. See, what's about to happen is, heads up, black tie at Forte Village, schedule set for Wednesday, October 22nd, CAG is your airport. Winners equals your 2026 travel cheat sheet. Red carpet then risotto, period. I'm clocking who serving value versus just serving face. Closing brief. For drama-free booking, flights, hotels, cruises, trains, slide once to breathtakinglagoon.com. Rattles out. Peace.